Hey everyone, Charlie Corbett here from Kelly's Port Marina. Here we have a brand new listing. It's a 2023 Bennington Q 27. It's a Q fastback windshield arch T2. This is powered by twin Yamaha 300 horsepower engines. This is one of my favorite boats to drive out on the water. It's like a little race car. It's very fun to drive, so I want to walk you through it. It is all white with a light gray boot stripe, lower accent on this one, so very slick looking. Does have the fiberglass front, as it is a Q Series. Also does have the sport upholstery package, which you can see the stitching is very nice in here, and the speakers are inside the furniture. You've got USB ports. Yeah, full seagrass throughout the whole boat. In-floor storage. You've got a table up in the front of the boat as well. Dual windshield. This does flip over very easily for those chilly mornings or chilly nights. You can block all that out. Then going to the helm, it does have the famous joystick on it. You can go completely sideways with the boat or turn a 360. Very easy to park. It does have 43.9 hours on the boat, so pretty low hours. One owner, they bought it brand new through Kelly's Port. Just haven't been really using it this summer, so that's the reason for selling it. So you got a forward or an aft bimini, which it is out right now. Full cover that goes with it. Again, this is a beautiful consignment, slightly pre-owned Bennington. If you have any questions at all, feel free to give us a call, 573-348-4700. Again, this is Charlie Corbett from Kelly's Port. Happy shopping.